Write an expression for finding the volume of the prism with a pyramid portion removed. Explain what each part of your expression represents. So to start out, we're going to find the volume for the outer cube, which has a base area of 12 by 12 and a height of 12. This would be for the cube. Then we are going to subtract or remove the pyramid piece. A pyramid's volume is 1/3 its base area, which is also 12 by 12, times its height, which is 12. And this one is for the pyramid. So the dark color is all for the cube, and then the lighter color is for the pyramid. Then in part B, it says, what is the volume of the prism shown with the pyramid portion removed? We are going to multiply 12 times 12 times 12, which is 1,728. And then we're going to subtract 1/3 of 12 times 12 times 12, which is also 1,728. We can take 1/3 of that number by dividing by 3, and we will get 576. Please finish and find the answer. Your units will say units cubed because it's a measurement of volume. You fill in the blank.